Hello everybody, it's Nikki. I have a cool video for you today. I had just got my order in. I've been waiting for this package. I have never tried it before, but it is a CBD oil vape. It's legal and I want to try it. Alright, so CBD is totally not like THC. It's different. It has no THC, if any, very little bit. And it's supposed to be to relax you, supposed to be for depression or if you have some type of pain or ailments or anything. I don't really have any of those. I'm just trying it just to try it. If anything, I just get like little achy breaky here and there, but a good exercise or stretch will actually help that out. I'm just like, I just wanted to try it, and this is it. I'm just trying it. There's no reason truly for me to use it. It's just for trying purposes. And let me show you. So basically what I got first, I ordered it from a specific site that I'll put all the information down below because I don't remember. I've been ordering stuff online like crazy, hotcakes. I've been ordering online. I have packages stacked upon stacked. So I don't remember exactly. It's like CBD pure, I don't know. I'm gonna put the link down below from where I got these, but they came in separate packagings from their own specific company. Like I bought it from this site, but it came from the regular, from like Koi. This is what I got, some CBD gummies. It's 6 in a bag for $10 each. 0 THC sour tropical fruit gummies. Alright, I got this. I got 2 of them. So this was $20. And then I had gotten this. I thought this was super interesting. This is Kea Organics 200 milligrams CBD vape in like a berry flavor. And this was buy one, get one free. They have a buy one, get one free right now. And this came out to $39.99. So it's $20 for each of these. And $10 for each of these, and I'm going to give one to each of my brothers. So this is a gift that I'm going to be giving out. So I'm not going to try this. I'm not going to use this. This is what I bought though. I'm giving these as gifts. And you know what, if I was thinking, I have basically 573 or 78 followers right now, 570 something. I'm thinking for my 1,000 subscriber like celebration, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway, and I want to know, what giveaway do you think I should do? What's a reasonable giveaway I can do for my subscribers to say thank you for subscribing and watching me and dealing with me and my quirkiness and all that nonsense? And I was thinking, wouldn't this be cool? A nice CBD vape to help you relax your nerves. I don't know. What do you think? Tell me in the descriptions below what would be my future giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber and everything. 1,000 subscribers. Please help me get there. That'll be cool. So on that note, I have also, this is what I got for myself. This is a CBD vape pen. This is a higher milligram dosage. This was more money. This was much more money. Okay, so this is the vape pen, I believe it says, and this is the bubblegum, honey bubblegum flavor, pure and clear. So I got this because it doesn't have like all those types of, I don't know how to explain it. It says no PG or VG. That's a type of ingredient they use that's supposed to be not good for you, and I heard. So I don't know. I just got this. This is organic hemp. Slim and lightweight, adjustable heat settings, preheat functions, vape pen, hemp oil concentrate, cannabis derived, tested pure, blah blah blah, mind body spirit, fast acting relief. So this is 250 milligrams, and this is 200 milligrams. This is not bad for $20. 200 milligrams for like 500 puffs or something, it said. I don't know. But this is 250 milligrams. What does it mean to experience pure spectrum? Enlightenment, intuition, creativity, compassion, vitality, relationships, and grounding. This is like chakra status, guys. This is chakra. They're promoting chakra status. So let's open the vape pen. It slides out. I'm so excited to try this. It's stuck. Here we go. Oh, it's just a charger with a sleek pen. Alright, see, it looks like this. Alright, and then this is the charger that goes with it, a USB charger. If you had any of this before, you just screw that in, I guess. Do I have to charge it now? Is there any instructions? Oh, here we go. Has a little bit of instructions. They gave me silver. I don't know if I chose silver specifically, but on off settings, push button 5 times. Change heat settings, push button 3 times. Preheating settings, push button 2 times. Charging up to 4 hours or when light turns green. Okay, so I don't know if it's charged yet, it doesn't say. And this is my oil. It looks like this. They had this one that was called Fruity Loops. I was gonna try, but I didn't know if this fit inside the thing I wanted to use. But look, it looks like this. And the top is rounded. And the oil is in there. I don't know if you've seen that, but the oil's in there in the reservoir. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's stop this chitter chatter and try it. Hopefully it's charged. I really hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw this in. 0.5 ml. That's how much. Okay. Okay. I don't know how tight I'm supposed to. Why is it crooked? Why is it crooked? This is weird. Alright. Okay, so what is it? How do you do this? Charging. Press button 2 times. I hope it's on. Oh, on off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look! It was red now. 1, 2. It's preheating now. It's preheating. Pictures of products are not to scale. Cartridge not included. How come this tip is different from the other tips? The other tips look like they're like more not as rounded. Is it done? Now what do you do? I don't know how to do this. You have to hold the pen. You have to hold the button, I mean, so. Bubblegum tastes like a weird light version of medicine. Let me try again. It's like, I don't know what it's supposed to do at the moment. This is just interesting. It's like I feel like it's something supposed to happen like right away. It's light. I I taste a little tint of bubblegum, but it's very subtle. Very subtle. I don't see nothing as of now, but it's pretty cool. I don't know. Let's try one more. It's cool though. Maybe I'll feel an effect later. I feel like I don't know if it's the placebo effect, but I feel like a calmness settling. Or I could just be bugging out. I don't know. But this is cool. I guess I'll do an update on another video to see my thoughts on it, like some vlog type stuff. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. I'm going to do some more videos, so check those out. I'll see you next time. Bye.